it's not a palindrome, but if I choose radar, then it's a palindrome. As you can see, it's able to check it successfully. Today I'm going to show you how you can find out if a word is a palindrome in C#. So let's start with what a palindrome is first. Now you will be seeing an image. So palindrome words are words that are written the same left to right and right to left. So for example, if I take the word car and write it in reverse, as you can see, it's not a palindrome because they are not the same. But if I take the word radar and write it reversed, then they are same. So I will show you how you can check this. So first of all, we will need a word to check, and we need to get it from the user. So string data equals to console.readline. I will be reading the data like this. Then I will check if the string is null or not. So we will have to re-enter the data, and if string.is null or empty, the value part will be data. If it is empty, then we will go to start. I put a label in here, and if it is empty, then the code will be re-executed from here. So if the data is valid and we are continuing on, then I will have two arrays, both are character arrays, and one will be normal, the other will be named reversed. So the normal one will be data.toArray, and the reversed one will also initially be data.toArray, but I will reverse this array using Array.Reverse. The input will be reversed, and now it will be reversed. So if I entered car, for example, the array normal will have CAR, the array reversed will have RAC. So once that's done, I will check if the values are same, the corresponding one. So if this is same with this one is same with this one, and I cannot simply use an conditional like if and equals. That didn't work out, so we will go through all of these values one by one, and to do that we will use a for loop. For int I equals to 0, I is smaller than normal dot count, and I is incremented by 1. So this could be reverse.to count as well, it doesn't matter, or it could be data.toArray.count. The values are not edited. And now we will check if these values aren't same, because we will have a boolean called palindrome, which will be true by default. So if these aren't same, then make it false, but if they are same, don't touch it. Once it's false, it's already false, it's not a palindrome. So now we will check if they are not equal to each other, and to do that, normal I isn't equal to reversed I, then palindrome is false. So we will get the element at the index I and check if it is the same with the element at index I in this reversed array, and then we will have to print it to the user. So console.writeLine is it's a palindrome, and then we will enter the boolean palindrome. It will give us an output of true or false, and then we want to enter the data as many times as we want, so I will go to start again. So let's test the code. Yes, so now we should enter the data. For example, ekmek, it's not a palindrome, but if I choose radar, then it's a palindrome. As you can see, it's able to check it successfully. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can write it to the chat.